okay lang ba inumin ang fresh Carabao milk? So yung tatandaan lang natin sa milk itself is meron siyang asukal pa rin po ano. If you look at yung animal milk, Carabao, goat, cow milk, makikita ninyo if you look at let's say a cup, meron siya talagang sugar pa rin ano. Depends on the kind of milk, around 13 grams, 15 grams. So just be mindful of that. Ngayon kung gusto talaga ninyo mag low carb, you can always use almond milk din for example. And you can get that na unsweetened. However, if you are maintaining na lang, nasa maintenance phase naman na kayo, wala, okay na yung sakit, wala na kayong iniinom na gamot, okay na yung timbang, then you can have animal milk. But the issue is, yun nga, be mindful kung pasok siya doon sa inyong net carb allowance for the day.